Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Anytime Fitness membership. But before I begin this video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is go to Google and type in how to cancel Anytime membership. And from here you want to go to Contact Us, the first link. Then you click on this option, Cancel My Membership. And then you want to find the club you are in. Now let's just say I am in this one. You want to visit the website, and then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom and just contact them using this phone number, or DM them on Instagram or X, and just let them know that you want to cancel your membership. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.